Business Central for Manufacturing is an ERP solution designed specifically to meet the complex needs of manufacturing companies. It integrates all aspects of your business into a single, easy-to-use platform. Business Central is essential because it addresses the unique challenges faced by manufacturers, addresses unique industry challenges, reduces errors, enhances communication, improves overall efficiency, and provides you with a holistic view. In manufacturing, BC simplifies crucial processes such as production planning, inventory management, quality control, financial management, and supply chain coordination. Implementing Business Central leads to increased efficiency, cost savings, scalability, better decision-making, enhanced collaboration, and improved customer satisfaction. Solution Systems offers expert guidance for introducing Business Central into manufacturing organizations, ensuring a smooth transition and maximum ERP investment benefits.